Oh, Dr. Kiran is here. And principal sir, should we should we start?
So Binoy sir,
Hello, hello.
we can start. Binoy sir would join us, hopefully.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Let me for a few see if I can start my video. Oh. So, sir, we are starting, sir. Sir,
Oh,
can anyone hear me?
go ahead.
Okay, okay. Good morning to all of you from New Delhi. It is a wonderful occasion that we have joined today for this unique thing, that is launching of our non-violent communication in Malayalam. It has been a great journey when we started that course on free online course on non-violent communication in last April during the lockdown, when our director sir, Mr. Dipankar Shyan, motivated us to do something unique, and we came up with this course. And ever since then, it is not just available in English, it is also available in Hindi and Malayalam now. So also the information of all the participants here, just let me tell you, it has got a major global traction, this particular course. It is also there shared in the MyGov platform, and also CBSE has introduced it through their platform. Through our platform and MyGov, more than 15,000 people have done this course, and through the CBSE platform, more than 75,000 people, teachers, parents, students, etc., etc. Also, we have been doing regular workshops on non-violent communication through with different top universities across the world, right from different countries of Africa, Europe, Latin America, and all. It was been translated into Kyrgyz language also, and the students in Pakistan did the course in Kyrgyz language. Also, it has been translated into Swahili, the African language, and students in different schools of Uganda are taking it up in their own local language. So it has a major traction. So it's a great thing for all of us that we have been able to do. Let me introduce today's speakers also. And we have been doing different programs with the Rajagiri College of Social Sciences since last year. It is based in Ernakulam for those who have joined from Delhi. And we did very interesting program with their social work department. In fact, for the information, Rajagiri College has been ranked number 28 by the Ministry of Education in the country, and as part of their social department is concerned, it has been ranked number 2 in the country. So it's a very, very prestigious institution doing commendable job to spread education in the southern part of the country, and we are really honored to have a program with them, and they have translated this course in Malayalam. For this special occasion, we have been trying to do this program for quite some time, but because of the elections and the model code of conduct, we could not do. So it is wonderful that we have all joined together. And for us, the special people who are joined us today, Sri Lakshmi Das sir, who is the chief guest for the occasion. He is a very senior veteran Gandhian. He has been the former chairperson of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and he has been working on extensively on the issues of Gandhian constructive work, peace and non-violence. Also, he is an executive council committee member of Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, and he has been guiding us to do a lot of interesting initiatives and always supporting us in all our endeavors. Lakshmi Das sir is the chief guest. We have Professor N. Radhakrishnan, who is going to give the keynote address for today's program. He has been the former director of Gandhi Smriti, in fact, and he is a very senior, internationally known Gandhian and an erudite speaker. And also, importantly, he is also from Kerala. So it is an interesting coincidence that we have been able to have a sir with us to give the keynote address. And he has been very keen on this particular course of ours, and he has been asking me off and on how the course has been going on. and it is a great occasion for us that it has been translated into Malayalam. We have the principal of the Rajagiri College College of Social Sciences, Professor Binoy Joseph. And Professor Binoy Joseph, we also thank sir, because we have had these programs with him even last year with his college. And Professor Binoy Joseph is basically has an extensive expertise in the areas of employee resourcing, performance management, reward management, in the areas of human resource management. And he has been an erudite international scholar also he's an international scholar at the Western Michigan University of the United States, and has worked extensively on employee stock option plan and corporate performances. We have with us our director, Mr. Dipankar Sri Gyan, and he is going to give the welcome address. Sir has been guiding us with all these interesting, innovative programs, and he is fully supportive and pushing us to do all these interesting things all across. And we are really thankful to him for his guidance and ideas and suggestions. Mr. Dipankar Sri Gyan, our director of and Darshan Samir. Before I request him to give the welcome address, also we have with us our team of teachers and professors who have been involved in the translation of this this course on non-violent communication. We have Mr. Dr. Anand, who is from the English department. We have with us Dr. Sishi, who is from the Malayalam department. And then, of course, our friends who have been the students who have actually helped this team, the faculty members of the Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, the student members Roshni, Sarika, Akila, and Anthony and Unnimata. Thank you all. And information of all students, Gandhi Smriti is the national memorial of Mahatma Gandhi, the place where Gandhiji was assassinated, and it is under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, with the Prime Minister of India being its chairperson. May I now request our Honorable Director, Mr. Dipankar Sri Gyan, to give the welcome address.
Namaskar. It's my privilege to welcome our chief guest, Sri Lakshmidas sir. Sir, it is your guidance and it is your inspiration that we have been doing this course in Malayalam. I have the privilege to welcome Dr. M. Radhakrishnan, who is a renowned Gandhian scholar and very well-known person throughout the world for the Gandhian constructive work. He has a lot of books on Gandhian principle to his name. I must thank and welcome Dr. Binay Joseph, who is the principal of Rajagiri College of Social Sciences. Sir, it was you who helped us to do this mammoth work. Otherwise, it was very difficult for us to do this translation in Malayalam. And I'm really thankful to you and welcome you in this program. Professor Anand, who is the bridge between us, the college, and the Gandhi Smriti Darshan Samiti. And he was such an energetic man that all the time he coordinated with us, and every time everything was shared, and he was fantastic in doing his work. I really welcome you, sir, and I must acknowledge your contribution. Srimati Sisa is who is the real pillar of this course, because the course was basically in English and Hindi, and Madam has done it in Malayalam. So the credit goes to Madam Sisha for her laborious work of converting it into the local language of Kerala. And that's the really a wonderful journey for all of us that we are now successful in doing this in the regional languages also. I must thank the student fraternity comprising Roshni Abraham, Sarika Sasidharan, Akila KV, Anna Teresa, Anthony A. Jashan, and Unnimaya S. All these students, mostly the students are the people who work, and it is they work most of the time like interns, but these people has worked like a team and a massive work, and they have converted the whole course beautifully. I'm not well versed with Malayalam, but the way you have done it, I'm sure that the soul of the whole course content is incorporated in the Malayalam language. It is my pleasure to inform you that Dr. Vedvyas has already informed that we are doing it in different languages. Next month, we are going to launch it in Manipuri also. So our course conversion in Manipuri is complete. The whole inspiration behind this course is only two persons whom I can give the credit. One is my EC member who guided me, Sri Lakshmidas ji, and he was my program committee member also. And during the program committee meeting, he readily agreed for expansion of this course throughout India, and even he allowed us to go abroad and converting it, this course. Then the question arises from where it came to my mind. When I was going through Dr. Radhakrishnan's contribution to Gandhi Smriti Darshan Samiti, I find that during his tenure,
maybe network issue.
Can we hear, sir? Can we hear, sir?
नहीं, sir. Maybe network issue, sir. I think.
Please switch off your video so that it is better.
and initially it was made this course. Later on, it was converted into Hindi, and now
Hello, sir.
Not audible.
Yes. Hello, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
now you're
Yes,
audible.
now.
Now you're audible.
Okay, what I was talking.
Once again, sir, we can't hear you.
What is this, Radhakrishnan? Sometimes you,
That is
sometimes you
question
are
came to me,
sometimes you are not
and the
audible.
guidance
What
came
is
to me
this?
from Mr. Lakshmidas sir, who is I'm audible. Hello, sir. Network is
Yes,
very
yes,
poor
yes,
in
yes,
Ghana.
sir.
It is also smell. So what I was telling, I must conclude very fast. What I was telling, that inspiration came to me from the guidance of Sri Lakshmidas sir, who is our EC member and program committee, When I proposed this course, it was his guidance, it was his support that he allowed me to conduct this course throughout the country, and not even the country. He also readily agreed for spreading it abroad. Then the question comes how it came to my mind. When I was going through the work of Dr. Krishnan in Gandhi Smriti when he was director here, I found that he started during his tenure so many small courses. That was my inspiration. And I asked my team, comprising my program officer, Dr. Kundu, Rajdeep, Gulshan, and Jagdish, and others to kindly have a course like this. And I must thank Dr. Kundu and his team that they prepared this course in English first, and later on it was converted into Hindi. Now I am really thankful to all of you that this course has got a widespread outreach, as CBSE has adopted this course for their students and guardians, and the students, more than 75,000 students have done this course. On our platform, more than 15,000 has done this course. So the course has got its momentum. And now I am hopeful that by doing it in Malayalam and next one in Manipuri, we will roll out further. With this opening remark, I will request particularly Radhakrishnan sir to kindly feel free to discuss the course in Malayalam so that it must reaches to the masses in Kerala, and the course is popularized there. And I have requested Professor Arsu from Calicut also. He must have joined. I requested him also to do it this in his region also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. May I now request, without wasting much time, Dr. Anand, who is from the English department, to coordinate with his team to share their experiences of translating this course in Malayalam. Dr. Anand, please.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vedvyas. Dr. Dipankar Srigyan, Director, Dr. Vedvyas Kundu, Program Coordinator, distinguished Chief Guest, Professor N. Radhakrishnan, Lakshmi Das Sir, heads of the departments, Professor Dr. Joseph M.K., Dr. Verghese K. Verghese, Professor Thomas Tirudanati, my entire team, Professor Sisha S., students, and all the participants who have gathered here to watch the event live today. A very good morning to all of you. Namaste. It is indeed my pleasure to sit in front of you in this gathering and discuss with you what happened behind this translation. First of all, like Dr. Dipankar Srigyan mentioned, I served as a link between Gandhi Smriti Bhavan and Rajagiri College to have this translation initiated. And I was deeply fortunate to have help from our principal, Dr. Binoy Joseph, Father Saju MD, our assistant director, entire management, heads and colleagues and students. And it was a 4 to 5 month long journey. Even though it may seem like a simple exercise, the translation of the course, which is close to 35 pages in English, took almost 3 to 4 months to complete. And by the time it is complete, it is close to 75 pages. So that just shows the amount of work and hard work put in by my team. I would again like to emphasize the student members, 6 of them in the team, and the efforts that they have put in. And I would quickly like to mention my team members. From the faculty members, it's myself and Professor Sisha S., who is assistant professor in Malayalam. From student side, Roshni Abraham, first year BSc Psychology, Sharika Sashidharan, second year BSc Psychology, Akila KV, second year BSW, and Teresa, final year BSW, and Teresa, final year BSW, and first year MSW, and Unnimaya AS, second year MSW. So this 6-member team, along with us 2 faculty members, had worked in the translation process. And I must say that it was not an easy process. We came across a lot of problems, including the cultural transmission and certain words. For instance, a word like negative communication. There is no proper equivalent in Malayalam to say negative communication. So there are times when we face some roadblocks. But then I must really take some time to acknowledge my colleague, Professor Sisha S., who has actually taken a lot of effort in materializing this course to what it is today. Because as I've already told you, I'm a professor of English, and even though my second language is Malayalam and I can write Malayalam a bit, it was Professor Sisha who took in all the initiative to combine all our efforts together. And because it was also difficult for students in this, also because it was COVID times, and amidst the pandemic, the classes were happening online. And in the afternoon, after our classes were over, me and Professor Sisha used to sit for 2 hours from say 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. after lunch, compiling the entire translation, editing, and rewriting it. So it was really an uphill task. But nevertheless, we are really happy to have brought it to a logical product. And most importantly, we gained a lot of wonderful insights by translating the course. I can personally testify that because having done the course on nonviolent communication, which also has a lot of stress on interpersonal communication, building up workplace relationships, and peaceful means of communication, etc. I would like to look back and say that over the last 1 year, the way in which I interact with people, the dynamics of interpersonal relationships has indeed taken a drastic change, positively that is. So I owe a lot to Dr. Kundu and the team for coming up with a wonderful revolutionary course like this. Like Dr. Deepankar Srigyan said, already close to 500,000 students or participants have done this course, and it is spreading across various languages. And we at Rajagiri are really with Gandhi Smriti Bhavan as local partners in Malayalam. And I'm sure that this course would proceed further, and we would be able to have a lot of people who would reach to this course in Malayalam. And I'm sure they'll benefit immensely from it. And I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of Dr. Kiran Thampi from Department of Social Work in coordinating all these events. Even though I had started this initially, the support extended by Dr. Kiran is deeply immense. And so I'd like to thank all of them. And just in case I have missed out anybody, I'm really apologetic about that. And I'd like to keep it short because I'm sure my students would also be more eager to share this with you. So I'll be slightly comparing that part. So thank you so much for patiently listening to me. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. I'm also talking to you on behalf of Professor Sisha. As I told you, she is the master brain behind this translation. I deeply acknowledge her efforts, and I'd like to thank her and the entire team for the efforts. Thank you. And next, I invite my team member, Unnimaya AS, who is from second year MSW. And before inviting her, I have a word of note as well. This translation in Malayalam is historical also because concentrated efforts have been made to make Bharana Bhasha as Malayalam in Kerala. And I'm deeply indebted to Dr. Vedbyas, who has constantly been in touch with me. And while we were scheduling this program, he insisted that there must be some events in Malayalam itself, even though we have a pan-Indian audience. So to get started with, Unnimaya AS, who's the senior most in the student team, would share with us her experience in this event as her experience in Malayalam. Unnimaya, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. പേര് ഉണ്ണിമായ ഫൈനൽ ഇയർ MSW വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നോൺ വയലന്റ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അഹിംസാത്മക ആശയവിനിമയം എന്നാണ് മലയാളത്തിൽ. അപ്പോൾ ശരിക്കും എൻ്റെ വിഷയവുമായി വളരെ അടുത്ത് ബന്ധമുള്ളൊരു ആശയം തന്നെയാണ്. എൻ്റെ വിഷയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സാമൂഹിക പ്രവർത്തനമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ സാമൂഹിക പ്രവർത്തനവുമായി വളരെ
Unnimaya, sorry to interrupt you. Your cam seems to be off and your network is slightly wavering. Please double check that.
ക്യാം ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നതല്ലേ നല്ലത്, നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ഇഷ്യൂ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട്.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
പറയുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിരിക്കും.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
സോ അഹിംസാത്മക ആശയവിനിമയം എൻ്റെ വിഷയമായ സാമൂഹിക പ്രവർത്തനവുമായിട്ട് വളരെ ബന്ധമുള്ള ഒന്നാണ്. നമ്മുടെ സഹജീവികളോട് സഹാനുഭാവത്തോടു കൂടി പെരുമാറാനും അതുവഴി നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റുമുള്ളവരുടെയും ജീവിത നിലവാരം മെച്ചപ്പെടുത്താനും സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഒന്നാണ് അഹിംസാത്മക ആശയവിനിമയം എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഈ കോഴ്സ് എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കണം എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ പ്രാവർത്തികമാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണം എന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്. പിന്നെ ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷനിലേക്ക് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ, അത് തർജീമ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശരിക്കും ഭാഷ ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരാളാണ് ഞാൻ. മലയാള ഭാഷയോട് ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരാളാണ്. എനിക്കങ്ങനെ അധികം ലിറ്ററേച്ചർ സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റ് അല്ല, അധികം പഠിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. അങ്ങനെ സിഷാമിസും ആനന്ദ് സാറും ആദ്യം ഇങ്ങനൊരു അവസരത്തെ പറ്റി പറയുമ്പോൾ ആത്മവിശ്വാസം കുറവായിരുന്നു, ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്നൊരു സംശയം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എന്നാൽ ചെയ്യാൻ താല്പര്യവും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ചെയ്തു തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോഴും തുടക്കത്തിലൊക്കെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. കാരണം ചില സാർ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ ചില വാക്കുകൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നിന്ന് അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മലയാളത്തിലേക്ക് തർജ്ജമ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് ഒത്തിരി വലിയ വാക്കുകൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സാധാരണക്കാർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവാത്ത അത്രയും കടുകട്ടി വാക്കുകളായി പോകുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ പിന്നീടാണ് ഈ പദാനുപത വിവർത്തനമല്ല വേണ്ടത്, ആ ആശയം എങ്ങനെ ലളിതമായിട്ട് സാധാരണക്കാർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ആ ആശയം എങ്ങനെ എത്ര ലളിതമായിട്ട് കൺവേ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും എന്നുള്ളതായിരുന്നു പിന്നീടുള്ള വെല്ലുവിളി. പിന്നീട് ചെയ്ത് വരുംതോറും അത് ആസ്വാദികരമായി തുടങ്ങി, അതിൽ കൂടുതൽ താല്പര്യം തോന്നി തുടങ്ങി. അത് വളരെ വളരെ ആസ്വാദികരമായൊരു പ്രക്രിയയായിരുന്നു. പിന്നീട് അങ്ങോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴും ഒരു സംതൃപ്തി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതിലേറെ സന്തോഷമായത് ഇത് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ സിഷാമിസ് അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയുണ്ടായി. സിഷാമിസ് കാര്യമായ കറക്ഷൻസ് ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല, അത് നന്നായി ചെയ്തു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അതൊരു ഭയങ്കര പ്രചോദനമായിരുന്നു. വളരെ സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നു ശരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ ഈ ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ആനന്ദ് സാറിന്റെയും സിഷാമിസിന്റെയും ആ നിരന്തരമായ പിന്തുണയും നിർദ്ദേശവും അതില്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഒരിക്കലും അത് ഇത്ര നന്നായി പൂർത്തിയാക്കാൻ പറ്റുമായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. അപ്പൊ അവരോടുള്ള നന്ദിയും കൂടെ പറയുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
Thank you, Nimaya. She was talking about her experiences in translating the course. She had experienced initially some problem in translating from English to Malayalam. Then later she decided to do away with word by word translation, which is called literalism. And that's in fact a great plus, to do away with literalism and try to concentrate on translating the concept or the idea as a whole. And I must at this point also remember that in between, while we were translating this course, Unnimaya had also been contracted with COVID, and she has survived COVID and sprung back to life and shown that effort to be with us and to complete the course in particular. So thank you, Unnimaya, for your deep full insights. Next, I invite Sharika Shashidharan, student from final year psychology, to share her views of being part of the team. Sharika, over to you.
Very fine good morning to one and all gathered here.
Sharika, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Can you slightly tilt your camera? Your face is visible only from your nose. Can you slightly tilt it up? Okay, that's better. Yeah, if you lean back, that's okay. We can see you. Otherwise, we can see only from your nose onwards. Thank you, Sharika. Carry on.
A very fine good morning to one and all gathered here. It's my immense pleasure to share my journey as a member of the editorial board working towards the translation of Gandhian studies. In a world that is in a constant phase of war, marred by violence and terrorism, there is a considerable need for Gandhian idea of non-violence. And understanding the great importance of this doctrine in the present scenario, I feel honored to be a part of this great initiative. The COVID pandemic has indeed brought us a lot of new challenges, but thanks to our capacity to adapt, we all have quickly been able to adjust to this new normal. During this pandemic, working for this initiative was a novel and memorable experience which I will be able to cherish for the rest of my life. It seemed that translation process was not that easy, but at the end of the day, all the hard work and dedication of each and every member of the editorial board has made this happen. Everyone has played a crucial role as a team, working together, supporting each other. Altogether, it was a new learning experience. It taught us how to bring nonviolent communication into practice and about the various ways through which we can increase nonviolent dialogue. Learning about the value of healthy communication, which is the crucial element in strengthening all the relationships, have been very helpful to us. I would like to share with you one of the quotes by Mahatma Buddha mentioned in the course, which inspired me a lot. Words have both the power to destroy and heal. When words are both true and kind, they can truly change our world. We all need to keep in mind that words are more powerful than we can imagine, and we shall use it wisely. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all teachers who had endlessly supported us in this process. It would be incomplete to not specially mention our dearest Anand sir and Susha ma'am for their dedication and support. It's their trust and motivation that kept us moving. Working under guidance as a team has been a wonderful experience. Our whole team would like to thank them for believing in us and helping us bring in our best potential. Anand sir had always ensured to maintain the team spirit high. He always brought out innovative ideas and plans, and his coordination is indeed commendable. Sushamas had always ensured that we could bring the real essence of the book. She was constantly there with us, giving suitable tips and guidelines for effective translation. I'm truly grateful to be a part of this venture. It was indeed a great opportunity and wonderful learning experience to translate the book on Gandhian nonviolence, which helped in imbibing the essence of the book. I would like to conclude my words with the famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary. The evil it does is permanent. Let us all keep this powerful message in our hearts. Thank you.
Is permanent. Spot on, Sharika. And it was indeed a pleasure listening to you. And to be honest, your kind words are encouraging for us too. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. Next, we'd like to move on from the experience sharing part to a slight change. And as Dr. Vedavyas had emphasized, we have a poetry recital, a poetry titled Ente Gurunathan, written by Mahakavi Vallatol Narayana Menon. The poem is on Mahatma Gandhi ji and his life. So the poem would be recited by Bhadra from first year BSW. Over to you, Bhadra. Bhadra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, over to you, Bhadra.
മഹാകവി വള്ളത്തോൾ നാരായണ മേനോന്റെ എന്റെ ഗുരുനാഥൻ. ലോകമേ തറവാട് തനിക്ക് ചെടികളും പുൽകളും പുഴുക്കളും കൂടിത്തൻ കുടുംബക്കാർ ത്യാഗമെന്നതേ നേട്ടം താഴ്മതാനഭ്യുന്നതി യോഗവിത്തേവം ജയിക്കും നിതൻ ഗുരുനാഥൻ. താരകമണിമാല ചാർത്തിയാലതും കൊള്ളാം, കാരണിച്ചെളി നീളെ പുരണ്ടാലതും കൊള്ളാം, ഇല്ലിഹ സംഘം ലേപമെന്നിവ സമസ്വച്ഛമല്ലയോ വിഹായ സവണ്ണമെൻ ഗുരുനാഥൻ. ദുർജന്തുവിഹീനമാം ദുർലഭ തീർത്ഥഹ്രദം കജ്ജളോദ്ഗമമില്ലാത്തൊരു മംഗളദീപം, പാമ്പുകൾ തീണ്ടിടാത്ത മാണിക്യ മഹാനദി, പാഴ്നിഴലുണ്ടാക്കാത്ത പൂനിലാവെന്നാചാര്യൻ. ശസ്ത്രമെന്നിയെ ധർമ്മസങ്കരം നടത്തുന്നോൻ, പുസ്തകമെന്നിയെ പുണ്യാധ്യാപനം പുലർത്തുന്നോൻ, ഔഷധമെന്നിയെ രോഗം ശമിപ്പിപ്പവൻ, ഹിംസാദോഷമെന്നിയെ യജ്ഞം ചെയ്വവനെന്നാചാര്യൻ. ശാശ്വതമഹിംസയാണം മഹാത്മാവിൻ വ്രതം, ശാന്തിയാണവിടേക്കു പരദേവത പണ്ടേ, ഓതുമാറുണ്ടദ്ദേഹം അഹിംസാമണിച്ചട്ടാൻ, ഏതുടവാളിൻ കൊടുവായ്ത്തല മടക്കാത്തു. ഭാര്യയെ കണ്ടെത്തിയ ധർമ്മത്തിൻ സല്ലാപങ്ങൾ, ആര്യസത്തിൻ സദസിംഗല സംഗീതങ്ങൾ, മുക്തിതൻ മണിമയ കാൽത്തള കിലുക്കങ്ങൾ, മുറ്റുമെൻ ഗുരുവിന്റെ ശോഭവചനങ്ങൾ. പ്രണയത്താലേ ലോകം വെല്ലുമീ യോദ്ധാവിന്നു പ്രണവം ധനുസ്സാത്മവാംശുകം ബ്രഹ്മം ലക്ഷ്യം. ഓംകാരത്തെയും സദാ ലയിച്ചലിയിച്ചു താൻ കൈക്കൊള്ളുന്നു തുലോം സൂക്ഷ്മമാംശം മാത്രം. ക്രിസ്തുദേവന്റെ പരിത്യാഗശീലവും സാക്ഷാൽ കൃഷ്ണനാം ഭഗവാന്റെ ധർമ്മരക്ഷോപായവും ബുദ്ധന്റെ അഹിംസയും ശ്രീ ശങ്കരാചാര്യരുടെ ബുദ്ധിശക്തിയും രന്തിദേവന്റെ ദയാവായ്പും ശ്രീഹരിശ്ചന്ദ്രനുള്ള സത്യവും മുഹമ്മദിൻ സ്ഥൈര്യവും ഒരാളിൽ ഒത്തുചേർന്നു കാണണമെങ്കിൽ ചെല്ലുവിൻ ഭവാൻമാരൻ ഗുരുവിൻ നികടത്തിൽ. അല്ലായികില വീടുത്തെ ചരിത്രം വായിക്കുവിൻ. ഹാ തത്ര ഭവൽപാദമൊരിക്കൽ ദർശിച്ചെന്നാൽ കാതരൻ നദീധീരൻ കർക്കശൻ കൃപാശൻ പിശുക്കൻ പ്രധാനോൽക്കൻ പിശുനൻ സുവചനൻ അലസൻ അശുദ്ധൻ പരിശുദ്ധൻ സദായാസൻ. ആദര പ്രശമനാമ തപസ്വിതൻ മുന്നിൽ ആദതായി തൻ കൈവാൾ കരിങ്കൂവളമാല്യം കൂർത്തദംഷ്ട്രകൾ ചേർന്ന കേസരിയൊരു മാൻകുഞ്ഞാർത്തേന്തിതടം തല്ലും വൻകടൽ കളിപ്പൊയ്ക. കാര്യചിന്തന ചെയ്യും നേരമെന്നേതാവിന് കാനന പ്രദേശവും കാഞ്ചന സഭാതലം ചട്ടറ്റ സമാധിയിലേർപ്പെടുമായോഗിക്ക് പട്ടണ നടുത്തട്ടും പർവ്വത ഗുഹാന്തരം. ശുദ്ധമാം തങ്കത്തെ താനല്ലയോ വിളയിപ്പതി ധർമ്മകൃഷകന്റെ സൽക്കർമ്മം വയൽ തോറും സിദ്ധനാമവിടുത്തെ തൃക്കണ്ണോ കനകത്തെ ഇദ്ധരിത്രി തൻ വെറും മഞ്ഞമണ്ണായി കാണൂ. ചാമര ചലനത്താൽ ഇളിച്ചു കാട്ടും പിശാച മഹാവിരക്തനു പൂജ്യ സാമ്രാജ്യശ്രീയും ഏതു പൂങ്കുഴലിന്നു മഴൽ തോദൈവാനാരി സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദുർഗാധ്വാവിൽ പട്ടുകൾ വിരിക്കുന്നു. അത്തിരുവടി വല്ല വൽക്കലത്തുണ്ടു മുടുത്തർത്ഥനഗ്നനായല്ലോ മേവുന്നു സദാകാലം ഗീതയ്ക്കു മാതാവായ ഭൂമിയെ ദൃഢമിതു മാതിരിയൊരു കർമ്മയോഗിയെ പ്രസവിക്കൂ. ഹിമവദ്വിന്ധ്യാചല മധ്യദേശത്തെ കാണൂ ശമമേ ശീലിച്ചെഴു മിത്തരം സിംഹത്തിനെ ഗംഗയാറൊഴുകുന്ന നാട്ടിലെ ശരിക്കിത്ര മംഗളം കായ്ക്കും കൽപ്പപാദമുണ്ടായി വരൂ. നമസ്തേ ഗതദർശ നമസ്തേ ദുരാധർഷ നമസ്തേ സുമഹാത്മൻ നമസ്തേ ജഗദ്ഗുരോ. നമസ്തേ ഗതദർശ നമസ്തേ ദുരാധർഷ നമസ്തേ സുമഹാത്മൻ നമസ്തേ ജഗദ്ഗുരോ. താങ്ക് യു.
ഇവയെല്ലാം ഒന്നിച്ച് കാണണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ ഗുരുനാഥനെ അടുത്ത് ചെല്ലൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടുത്തെ ചരിത്രം വായിക്കൂ. അതിമനോഹരമായിരുന്നു ഭദ്ര ആലാപനം, കവിത. For those who could not understand that in Malayalam, we have Kalyani Manoj from first year BCom with My Master, the translation of that poem in English. Over to you, Kalyani.
Thank you, sir. All the world is home to him. Even plants, grass, and grub his skin. His only earnings, renunciation. Through lowliness, he reaches heights. Thus he wins, my master dear, the sage of yogic wisdom great, donning a chain gemmed with stars, or getting smudged with a mire of clouds, makes no difference to yonder sky. Nothing ever sticks to it nor besmears it. So serene and stoical, my master also stays. A sacred stream, deep and rare, uninfested with creatures fall, an auspicious lamp with smokeless flame, a treasure trove not haunted by serpents, lustrous moonlight that does not cast ominous shadows. My master it is. With weapons none he wages righteous wars, without texts gives lessons in virtue, without drugs he cures ills, without causing hurt in the least, performs holy sacrifices. My master, venerable, non-violence his lifetime vow, peace his household deity since long. The shining armor of non-violence can blunt the sharp edge of even the hardest sword. My master used to say, his utterances so inspiring are the sweet and soulful outpourings of Dharma to his mate, whom he has found at last. The symphony at the court of supreme truth, tinkling of the bejeweled anklets of moksha. For this warrior who wins the world with love, Om is the bow, the soul the arrow, and Brahman the target. He goes on refining even the Om and takes in only the finest and the ultimate spirit of it. If you ever wish to see the renunciation of Christ, Lord Krishna's strategy in defense of Dharma, the ahimsa of Buddha, the sagacity of Sri Shankara, the compassion of Rantideva, the truthfulness of Harichandra, and the dauntless constancy of Mohammed, blended harmoniously in a single being. Go to my master or read the story of his life. Thank you.
Thank you, Kalyani. It was a befitting tribute to the advocate of non-violence, Gandhiji. So that was so wonderful listening to you, Kalyani. Thank you so much. Let's quickly move on to felicitations. As you may have noticed, we have a student team, students from various departments, Department of Social Work, Psychology, and so on. So the support rendered by the heads of the department is immense. So now let me introduce them and invite them to give away the felicitations. First of all, Father Dr. Joseph M.K., Associate Professor and Head, Department of Social Work. He has a teaching experience of over a decade, and he has been instrumental in encouraging and helping the students attain these heights and to keep doing Rajagiri to greater heights. Father Dr. Joseph.
Okay. So, respected dignitaries, fellow teachers, and my dear students, today is a very happy day for Rajagiri College of Social Sciences in associating with Gandhi Smriti in publishing the book in Malayalam. As all of us know, in the NAAC accreditation, there is a indicator what is the contribution of the students and faculty for national integration or upholding national values. I think this association with Gandhi Smriti in publishing this book in Malayalam is a real participation. How we'll be able to contribute towards national integration so that this book may spread among many Malayali readers and students so that they may cherish the noble ideas of Gandhi in terms of ahimsa, non-violence, and so on. Moreover, today we speak more about sustainability and sustainable economy. I think today we find a violent production or a violent growth or overgrowth or catch-up growth. And what we need is a sustainable economy, and the foundation for that is maybe being non-violent or accommodative or ahimsa in our production, so that we'll be able to realize ecological justice in our thoughts, in our practice, and so on. I hope that this association with the Gandhi Smriti will continue in the near future, so that the upcoming students of Rajagiri College will benefit from the contributions of the organizations. I thanking you very sincerely. At the same time, appreciate the efforts of our faculty members, Anand and Sisha, and other students in translating these books for the benefit of people of Kerala. So I wish all success. I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, Joseph. Next, we were supposed to listen to Father K. Verghese, Dean, Department of Behavioral Sciences. But I'm told that Father is experiencing a power failure, so he was not able to join us, but he has extended his good wishes to all of us. Next, I invite Professor Thomas Thirudanathy, Head, Department of Languages. He belongs to our department, and the support extended by him to myself and Professor Sisha has been immense. And without his support, this wouldn't have been possible. Thomas, sir. Thomas. I can see, yeah, he's there. Thomas, voice കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. We can see you. Sir, audible അല്ല sir. We can see you, but sir, the voice വരുന്നില്ല.
While Anand is trying to get Professor Thomas, may I request Pankaj to just show the slide of all the team members who did the translation?
Yes, sir, sure. Thank you, sir. I'll just try contacting.
Yeah. Otherwise, we can go over and he can join later.
Yes.
So, I think as Pankaj is trying to show, and probably there is a problem of connecting with Professor Thomas, we could go ahead with the program and request the principal of Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Professor Binoy Joseph, to give his address. Professor Binoy Joseph.
Hello, sir. Thomas sir would join us soon. He's trying to fix the issue.
Okay.
Hello.
So we can request.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Thomas sir, we can hear you.
Can you hear me now? Okay. Respected dignitaries, my dear colleagues and students, it's a very commendable job that you have done as a team. I'm indeed proud of my colleagues Anand and Sisha for spearheading this project. I congratulate the entire team and I wish them all success in their long cherished project. I'm sure it will be of great use to generations of students. Once again, congratulations and my wholehearted support to the running of this project. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Thomas sir. Your words are so golden. And we are deeply indebted to you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Dr. Binoy Joseph, our principal, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, was here with us, but then he has texted me that there has been some network issues and he's unable to log in. So Vedavyasji, I think we can continue with the event, and
Yes,
if
yes,
and when Binoy sir joins back, I think we
That's
can
right.
hear him.
Perfect, perfect. So now we go to the most important part of the program, all important. We have with us Professor N. Radhakrishnan sir, who I said is a very eminent Gandhian, and both within country and abroad. And we are really honored to have you with us, sir. And we request you to kindly give your keynote address. Professor N. Radhakrishnan. Sir, we can't hear you. Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, we can't hear you. Can you hear us? Hello. Hello. Hello, sir. Sir, you have to unmute yourself. Hello.
Sir, already sir, unmute sir.
Huh?
Sir, already unmute hai sir.
Huh, but we can't hear him. We can't hear him. Should I call him up? Let me see. Hello, Pankaj. Hello, Pankaj.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Sir is saying that there's something happened to the link. But others are Lakshmidas sir, am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Vedavyasa, you are audible but not visible.
So it seems some problem there with Professor N. Radhakrishnan. Let me try him once again. Should we ask him to rejoin? I think that is the best way out. Let me try.
That is, yes, he may be requested to rejoin. Get
Yes,
it off.
Yes. Yes. Let me check. He has left the meeting. Yes, he has joined back the meeting. Yes. Yes. Hello, sir. Can you hear us now? Radhakrishnan, sir. Hello, Radhakrishnan, sir. Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear us?
Yes,
Yes,
I do hear you. What about you?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello.
So please go. Please give your keynote address, sir.
Do you see me?
Yes sir.
No,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. We can see you. So please, because before again the network again there might be an issue. So let's start straight away. Yes, sir. Thank you.
I think it is 12 o'clock.
Yes sir.
According to probably this should have been over by 12 o'clock.
No, sir. It is to be over by 1 o'clock. Sir, it is to be over by 1 o'clock.
Oh, no.
12.
Okay. So let me greet all those of you who worked tirelessly and also very earnestly അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് സഹപ്രവർത്തകളെയും അവർക്ക് അവരുടെ നന്മയ്ക്കായി ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. It's a great step and a great achievement. Let me congratulate all of you who made it possible, and kindly accept my heartfelt appreciation and also the courageous step that you have taken in making it possible. So let me also congratulate the director of Gandhi Smriti, my friend Dibangarji, and the executive committee member, again my friend Lashmi Dasji, the program officer and executive, Dr. Veda Vyas, and all his team back in Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti. I feel really honored to be here with you to share a few thoughts, but then probably today is the day when we should be proud of the team which made the translation possible, as well as the launch of this historic course on nonviolent communication possible first time in Kerala through Rajagiri College of Social Sciences. Rajagiri College of Social Sciences has a record of excellence in many fields, and they have a brilliant team of academics. They have a committed management, and they have been rather encouraging many young students to come out of the college as leaders and specialists in their fields. So I congratulate the whole management team and the college team of Rajagiri College, as well as the Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, which has taken a pivotal and crucial role in redefining the possibility as well as the capability of communication as an art and a craft to effect paradigm changes in the social structure. As all of us know, whether it is verbal communication or non-violent, other form of communication, verbal or non-verbal communication, communication of a person, communicative capability of a person defines the character of the person. It reflects the cultural, political, social, and economic milieu of the society which produces these persons. Right from the very beginning of evolution of communication as a tool of what is called discovering the innate potential of every individual. So much can be said about why there should be a paradigm shift in effecting changes in the communication strategy. We are living in an absolute culture of violence, and violence engulfs the whole society, and it has made very, very serious inroads into the very lifestyle of modern people, thanks to the enormous capabilities, technology, science, and other things offered to us, pushing all other human attainments to the background. The new thrust on what is called non-violent communication is nothing new, actually. In our collective efforts to effect a paradigm shift in our lifestyle will determine what is called the collective morbidity and the collective ethos and ethical framework of our life. That being the situation when Rosencrantz and others made a very, very forceful argument that we should strive for a non-violent communicative pattern, and non-violent communicative pattern will lead us to discover the non-violent potential of every human being, through which we will be able to effect non-violence as a desirable objective to be cultivated and made part of our living, thinking, and lifestyle. So friends, what you have done today will go down in history as a very, very significant. And I'm very happy that Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, of which I was part of the administration some time ago, has taken this initiative. So I congratulate all of you. At the same time, I wish the Rajagiri College of Management, the teachers, the principal, the course coordinator, and the very brilliant students who were part of the translating team. The rendering of Yenda Gurunathan was actually soul touching. It was done with lot of appreciation of mine, and whoever did, I don't remember her name, she did it very well. My congratulations to her.
Sir, her name is Badra. Her name is Badra. Malayalam recited Badra. Badra. English like Kalyani.
ഭദ്രയ്ക്കും കല്യാണം എല്ലാ അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങളും. സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ ശ്രമം വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധേയവും അഭിനന്ദനാർഹവും. ഓരോ മലയാളിക്കും അഭിമാനം തോന്നത്തക്ക തരത്തിലുള്ള ശ്രദ്ധേയമായ ഒരു കാൽവയ്പായിട്ട് ഞാൻ കാണുന്നു. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ പല അംശങ്ങൾ എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലും അക്രമം ജീവിതത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗമായി മാറിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ ഒരു സമുദായമായി മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നു കേരളം. ഞാൻ അതിനെപ്പറ്റി കൂടുതൽ ഇപ്പോൾ പറയുന്നില്ല, പറയാനുള്ള വേദിയല്ല. എങ്കിൽ പോലും നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മേഖലയിലായാലും നമ്മുടെ സാഹിത്യ മേഖലയിലായാലും രാഷ്ട്രീയ, സാംസ്കാരിക, മറ്റു ബൗദ്ധിക മേഖലയിലായാലും അക്രമം കൊടികുത്തി വാഴുന്ന ഈ അവസരത്തിലെ a transition from violence to non-violence, from killing to from vengeance to forgiveness, and from what is called from hatred to reconciliation നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. അതിന് കോളേജുകൾ മാറ്റങ്ങളുടെ വേദിയാകണം. അറിവ് പകർന്നു കൊടുക്കുന്ന മേഖല മാത്രമല്ലാതെ അറിവിന്റെ അപ്പുറത്തേക്കുള്ള വിജ്ഞാനത്തിന്റെ മേഖലയായി വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങൾ മാറേണ്ടതിന്റെ ആവശ്യകതയുണ്ട്. രാജഗിരി കോളേജ് ഇത്തരം സദുദ്യമത്തിന്റെ മുൻപിലായിരുന്നു പല വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട്. കുറച്ചേറെ വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് മുൻപായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ രാജഗിരി കോളേജിൽ അവസാനമായിട്ട് വന്നത്. ഒരു മലയാളി എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ രാജഗിരി കോളേജിന്റെ അഭിമാനകരമായ നേട്ടങ്ങളിൽ പലപ്പോഴും അകലങ്ങളിലിരുന്നു സന്തോഷിച്ചവനാണ് ഞാൻ. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ തികച്ചും അഭിനന്ദനകരമായ ഈ നേട്ടങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം പങ്കുചേരാനും നിങ്ങളെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുവാനും നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളിൽ മുന്നോട്ടുള്ള പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും തരത്തില്, ഞാനിപ്പോ തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തിരുന്നു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും തരത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളുടെ ഭാഗമായി തീരുവാൻ എനിക്ക് അവസരമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ സന്തോഷിക്കും. എൻ്റെ സേവനം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ടാകും. അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങൾ. ദൈവകൃപയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയ ഈ പരിശ്രമം വളരട്ടെ. മറ്റ് കോളേജുകൾക്കും വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങൾക്കും ആകട്ടെ. ശക്തിയുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഗാന്ധിജി പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ഒരു ദൃഢവിശ്വാസമാണ്. എന്താ വിശ്വാസം? നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും മാറ്റത്തിന്റെ ചാലക ശക്തിയാകും. ബി ദ ചേഞ്ച് ദാറ്റ് യു വാണ്ട് ടു സീ ഇൻ അതേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഗാന്ധിജിയുടെ ആ വാക്കുകൾ ഓർമ്മിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്മകൾ നേരുന്നു. I am very confident that you will become part of history, and this is a great step. Congratulations. Jai Hind. All the best. Namaskar.
Thank you, Professor N. Radhakrishnan sir. It was wonderful listening to you. Anand, has Principal sir, because Lakshmi Das sir is our chief guest, and after him will be the vote of thanks. So in case,
So yes, sir, but I
Principal
think
sir
he's
has-
experiencing some problems.
So
He's
we
trying.
go ahead with
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes, sir. So now we request our honorable chief guest for the day, Shri Lakshmi Das sir, who is also our executive committee member of Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti. Lakshmi Das sir, we please request you to give your address. Thank you.
Namaskaram, my dear and very senior Gandhian, Dr. Radhakrishnan ji, my colleague and director, Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, Shri Deepankar Shri Gyan ji, Professor Anand and his laborious team, and other participants in this unique program. Today, it was a pleasant coincidence that when I started taking my breakfast in the morning, it was of idli and two type of chutney. It was not of my choice. I didn't ask for that today, though I like that. But today it came, and I could know only when the plate was before me. When I was sitting here on this table to hear the excellent comments of the students, I was served with a cup of coffee and few chips of banana chips, maybe to enable me to be very close to my fellow citizen of Kerala. Friends, for me, this is an unique experience. The deep, so far the philosophy of non-violence is concerned, the deep I go in this philosophy, I find so many new ideas in the implementation and practice of non-violence. I, with my experience of about 6 decades, I'm yet to come across a single incident in my personal life or in my public life which can establish that the problems can be solved through violence. I am convinced that violence breeds violence, corruption breeds corruption, and non-violence will definitely breed non-violence. This Gandhi has practiced and has shown its ability, its utility, its answer to the problems. Gandhi has done his job very efficiently, with commitment, with passion, with its philosophical analysis. He has done his job. Now it is for us to take it further. I'm happy that when the whole country, maybe because of any reason, Corona, or today, what the situation we are passing through, the whole country is confined to its house, rather to the bedroom. You know, we all experience how difficult time we are passing through. But in this difficult time, I'm glad and I'm happy to say, to realize, to see that Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti is on the move. It is very good that this non-violent communication, this course, which was initially started, a very humble start. It was then in Hindi, then in English, then Tamil. Now today, it is in Malayalam. I congratulate the director, Gandhi Smriti Darshan Samiti, and his team, even though it has become very difficult, but he inspired his team, he guided his team, and added to another feather in his cap and in the cap of Gandhi Smriti Darshan Samiti. I know how difficult it is. I also know, we all know that this corona, whatever way it is happening, it has become a major challenge to the humanity. But all dark stories have some bright parts also. In this corona, we have learned to communicate with each other virtually, if not actually. Today, this program for Malayalam, taking non-violence through Malayalam to the students. I think it is unparalleled. Why I say unparalleled? Because I don't want to go into the details of the situation, but as the situation is, doing tremendous work, that too for the preaching or publicizing or telling or educating the people about non-violence. Because when mentally person is disturbed, it is very difficult to teach him or her anything. But this team came forward, though we are mentally disturbed, some people may not be, but there are some problems at every place because of this pandemic. I am happy that with the great efforts of Mr. Anand, his team, contribution of the students has made it a great success. I was listening Dr. Radhakrishnan ji. Partly I could understand. Partly I could experience his face expression, that how important this program is and how he take it so far the society and so far the students are concerned. I am happy that today this program, non-violent communication, will start functioning in Malayalam. I hope this is one college I remember one thing, Vinobaji, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, we all know, used to say that it is difficult to write one. Once one is written, then you can add zeros. So if 1 0 is added to 1, it becomes 10. Another 0 if added will become 100. So on and so off. It will go on continuing. It is difficult to write one. So today, so far the non-violence for philosophy through Malayalam, through education is concerned, one has been written. Now zeros are to be added. And the brilliant guidance of Dr. Radhakrishnan and his team, his outreach through Gandhian movement in Kerala. I am talking of Kerala only because we are talking of Malayalam only. Otherwise, his outreach is not only Kerala, it is national, it is international. But with his presence and interest in this program will go a long way to not only teach non-violence through Malayalam, but also strengthen the national integration. Language is also a part and program to strengthen the national integration. With these few words, I throw this program open for the students to take care of. I once again congratulate the team who has made it a success, and I also congratulate Dr. Shri Dipankar Gyanji, Vedavyasji, and his team for making it a great success. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Namaskaram.
Thank you, sir. And as sir was talking, our colleague, Mr. Pankaj, has shared the link of the course in Malayalam, which is there in our website now. So we would request Dr. Anand and his team to promote it amongst their students who can take up this course in Malayalam. So that is wonderful. And now we come towards the end of the program. And may I now request Dr. Kiran Thampi to kindly give the vote of thanks. Dr. Kiran Thampi.
I'm audible and visible?
Yeah, yes. Your audio.
So thank you once again, respected on board. This is a wonderful day for Rajagiri College of Social Sciences. Many months we have been trying to do this launch once we have completed this translation. And a great support from GSD has paved the way for implementing the same. My duty is to propose things. We have wonderful sessions from our eminent speakers. I would like to thank Mr. Lakshmi Das, who's the eminent Gandhian and executive committee member of GSDS, for giving away the chief guest address. He has focused on the challenges in nonviolent communication and the relevance of this course. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us and sharing your great insight to the audience. Now we had Professor N. Radhakrishnan, who is again an eminent Gandhian and who's hailing from Kerala, of course, for providing us a keynote address and focusing on the possibilities of communication and relevance of nonviolent communication. He has also stressed on the importance of teaching nonviolent strategies, the nonviolent communication strategies among your words. Now we had Mr. Dipankar Shrigyan, who is the director of GSDS, and he was wonderful in bringing up a great collaboration between two institutions. He's a person who took initiative for associating with us and supportive of all the endeavors, starting from the national webinar that we have done last year, current launch of violent communication course in Malayalam, and definitely we'll like to take it forward through a formal element between the institution as well as linking with the other activities of the institution. Thank you so much, sir, for being supportive. Special mention goes to Dr. Vedya School, who's the program officer in GSDS and a master brain in implementing this course and taking it to a global level. Thank you so much, sir, being a bridge between two institutions. And we are very hopeful and the prospect is very bright with you being with us and taking all the efforts to the logical end and more heights. Thank you so much, sir. Now, special appreciation to Professor Binoy Joseph, who is the principal of Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, who has been instrumental taking Rajagiri to the 28th position in NIRF ranking, as well as in the top category institution accredited by NAC. We have been accredited by the NAC as A++ category institution in the latest ranking happened last month. So thank you so much, sir, for being and a great enthusiastic person who's supportive of all the efforts. Thank you, sir. We also have Father Dr. Joseph M.K., who's heading the Department of Social Work, who has been instrumental in taking the department to the second best in the country. We have Father Varghese K. Varghese, who is the Dean, Department of Psychology. We also have Professor Thomas Tiruthanati, who's heading the Department of Languages. We thank all three of them for supporting and guiding and motivating the students to do this wonderful work. Thank you all. Now we have Professor Anand and his team, Professor Anand, Professor Shisha, and the student team, 6 students who are a part of this great initiative. So definitely this is going to be history. It is marked as one among the history and a great among the history. So thank you so much for your hard work. And this will definitely pay off and taking the message of Mahatma Gandhi to the various category of population. Thank you for your wonderful work. And definitely word of appreciation to Bhadra and Kalyani for beautifully rendering Ende Gurunathan. And to end, Gandhi's doctrine says that the aim of any non-violent conflict is to convert the opponent, to win over his mind and his heart, and persuade him to your point of view, which is very relevant in current society, where we are facing with many natural man-made calamities and difficulties. So this definitely will be a course to look for and propagate great ideas of Mahatma Gandhi to mass and to the population. And definitely we would through our beneficiaries. Rajagiri College runs extension projects. We call it as live labs. And we have beneficiaries in various communities, in adopted communities through different projects, through women, children, migrant laborers, and so on. So this will be another opportunity to tie up with where we can take this course and the collaboration to a higher level. So once again, thanking you, everyone, and definitely the participants of this program. I can see more than 100 participants were there to support this great endeavor. So thanking each one of you. I remain, and once again, thank you all the people who has worked behind to make this a success. Thank you all. I remain.
Thank you very much. It was great hearing to all of you, Dr. Kiran and our entire team of Rajagiri College. We definitely look forward to working with you further. Thank you very much. So we close the meeting with a hope that we will be able to promote this